guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. I would love it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below if you guys are new to my channel. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I curl my hair. So I just have it straight. I showered, I blow dried it, did my makeup, and now I'm going to share with you guys how I do my every single day curls. So I recently talked about in my favorites video, which I will insert a card in case you guys want to check that out, that I switched up how I curl my hair, and I actually use a whole new different curling wand, and my hair has grown so much that it's like really changed the game, and it takes less than 10 minutes to curl my whole head of hair. I'll show you guys the products, how I do it. It's so simple and I just love the results, so I'm super excited to share it with you guys. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy it or find it helpful, and let me know in the comments down below how you wear your hair because I would love to know. So the curling wand that I've been using that's really changed the game is from Irresistible Me, and I got this sent to me, and this is not sponsored. I actually really do use this, and this is part of their interchangeable wands. I would touch this, but it's gonna be hot soon and I'm like, I don't want to burn myself. So this is the wand that I use, and it's like skinnier at the top and then it gets bigger at the bottom. So I hold it ultimately like this when I wrap it around my hair, and I've noticed it makes my curls look very natural and like fun beachy waves, which I love the look of that. And I used to use a wand that was like all the same size, which is great, but I really have noticed a difference with this one. So I'm just going to turn it on by holding the power button, and the little red LED lights are going to pop up, and I like to turn it up as high as it goes. So I use it at 450. I just noticed I can do it a lot faster that way, and it keeps my hair holding the curl all day long. Then I'm going to be taking my wet brush, and I love these brushes, and brushing out my hair just to get out any tangles and just kind of smooth it over. And what I've noticed is I don't have to part my hair too much besides left and right, which is awesome. And my hair is super clean because I just showered. Can't believe how long it is, and like my bangs have grown out so much in the past year. So I'm just gonna let my curling wand heat up. Super simple. Honestly, you don't even have to have like straight hair to begin with. It's just how I blow dry my hair. So my hair is all ready. My curling wand is heated up. I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm not gonna part it. I'm just gonna take little sections like this and I'm gonna curl it. So I always start off with the back few sections first because I find it easiest that way. And I'm gonna take the curling wand, I'm gonna hold it upside down like this and start at the top of the wand and wrap it around, and I like to have it facing away from my head. And I'm just going to hold it there for a few seconds. And personally, what I've noticed, I don't really like having this part curled just because my hair is so long. So I'm just going to hold it while it's still hot, and that's the curl. So I'm just going to keep doing that, and then I'm going to show you guys what I do after that. But it's so simple. The sections of hair don't even have to be the same size. I'm just going to keep wrapping it around, and each one's going to be a little bit different because they're like tighter and some aren't. But that's gonna give it the ultimate look because there's not like a whole lot of curls going on, but I'll brush it out and I'll show you guys how to do that. So this side is done. I'm gonna do the exact same to this side. And I like to leave out my bang pieces just because I don't really like the look of them curled in at all, but that is just a personal preference. So like I didn't curl this part. And it looks really crazy right now because they're like super tight curls. Oh, I think I missed the strand. I'm gonna curl this real quick. Okay, so it looks a little bit crazy, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna take my hairspray, and I'm using the Garnier Volumizing Hairspray. Love this stuff. Shake it up a little bit, and I'm just gonna spray the curls. Okay, so after that, I like to actually like brush them into the same direction curls. It's so simple, but it just kind of brushes them out a little bit. You're going to go back and see if there's any strands that need to be curled again like I just did. And then I'm going to be taking my Garnier Fructis Moroccan oil. And I love this stuff. It really makes your hair super shiny, but it just kind of makes the curls really blend in together. Just a tiny bit, rub it around in my hands, and putting that in the bottom part of my hair. I don't like to put this near my roots just because it does make your hair look more oily. And as I'm doing this, I'm finger brushing the curls out. That's what I really have liked about doing this. This is how I get my everyday curls. So I'm just gonna flip over my hair a little bit to give some volume to my hair. But that is like how I've been curling my hair lately. I love it. It's so simple. You just finger brush it out. And I like to tuck in the little bang pieces a little bit, and that is just how I curl my hair. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys try it out, let me know in the comments down below, or DM me or something. All my socials are listed down below because I would love to know if it worked for you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!